Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss about lesson 3rd, composition and structure of the atmosphere. As you know, Earth is the only planet in the universe that has life. And one of the reasons why life exists on this planet is the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a colorless and odorless layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. It serves as a blanket of air that protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It controls the temperature and most important of all, it contains oxygen which is the essential for every form of life. Atmosphere is kept intact around the planet by another invisible entity called gravity or the gravitational force of the earth. Now we will discuss about the composition. Atmosphere is made up of the gases, water vapor, dust particles. Nearly 99% of atmosphere consists of nitrogen and oxygen. Rest of the 1% comes from the other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon, water vapor and dust particle. Nitrogen is present in all living organisms and help the growth of living beings. Oxygen is the second most prevalent gas in the atmosphere. All living beings depend on it to live. Oxygen in form of ozone, chemical symbol of ozone is O3, is present in the earth atmosphere and helps to protect the earth from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Carbon dioxide exists in atmosphere and it is produced by all animal, fungi and microorganisms during respiration and is used by plant during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide help in creating the greenhouse effect. Without greenhouse effect it would be too cold for life to exist on this planet. Now the water vapors. Water vapor constantly generated and evaporates by the evaporation and removed from the atmosphere by condensation. Atmospheric water falls on earth as rain, which is important for our agriculture and also a source of fresh water. Dust particles help in rain because they serve as an condensation nuclei and play important role in the formation of a cloud. Atmosphere is thicker and heavier near the surface of the earth and becomes less dense with an increase in height above sea level.